Hello, everyone. I received word that my accounts were ready for the switch to credits. So I went ahead and did one of them and wanted to show y'all how it would look after the switch to credits, just to kind of give y'all an idea of what to expect. If you recall from previous videos, I had had my normal, I am on the max plan, so I'd had my normal 200 something thousand left of my words. And then I had 18,400 something of word pack words. So after the switch, this is what I now have. Of course, it resets. So whereas before my plans changed on like December 21st, now you see as of my switch yesterday, they now reset on the 13th. So that is how it's going to work. You will be prorated any refund for the amount of time that you have left, and then a new billing cycle will start for you. Now, this is only if you've switched outside of your regular billing cycle. They plan on rolling everybody over at the same time. So, everybody that's due on the 17th, they should get rolled over together. Everybody that's due on the 20th, they should get rolled over together. Again, I just forced the switch, went ahead and did it right away. So that's why my billing cycle is now different, but y'all should stay the same. And this is just to kind of give you an idea of how it's going to look. And we now have this recent activity. So you'll see here, I got my monthly allotment of 5 million credits. And again, I had 18,487 words, I believe, left from a word pack. So that was converted, and you see it here. And this is where the recent activity that Ryan had talked about will show up. So whenever you start working inside the right settings, using the laser tools, using Story Bible, that will start showing up here in your recent activity to show you where you're using your credits at. So after I made the switch, I received the email just kind of going over everything, letting me know it's switched, going over credits, and then diving into my details. So I was on the max monthly plan. Now I'm on the super max legacy plan. Billing cycle hasn't changed. Now mine has because I forced it, but I'm good with that. Going over the price and then what my plan entails. So I get the 5 million credits a month. Credits roll over for up to 12 months. This does not include your word pack type words that are going into credits. This is just from this 5 million. If I don't use them all, I have up to 12 months to finish using those. Word pack words, which are now credit packs, those will still stay the same and not expire. They will roll over until you use them. And this is what I had originally of words, 18,487, converted to credits with a 50% bonus, which gave me that new little number right there. I apologize. I just realized this may have been a bit small for y'all to actually see. All right, and then it just goes over everything else. The features that they're going to be able to bring now that they've switched to credits. One of those I'm really looking forward to. We have absolutely no timeline on, nothing they've even started working on yet because they have lots of things going on right now. But eventually we'll be able to get those bigger boxes too, like the character box. And just some FAQs and mention of that recent activity log. So that is what you can expect now with the new credit system. Again, just to give y'all another look in case you'd like. My new credits, 5 million. My word pack words, now credits 235,000. Right. Thank y'all very much for watching. Have fun playing with the new credits, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.